Alright guys, welcome back. It is me, CorbinAwesomeGamer here, and I am with... No, for real. Game nerd. So, yeah, and CorbinAwesomeGaming. So, we're going to be doing epic shots. So, yeah. And by the way, check the link down below to my... my last video, which is in the description. It's me defeating the Ender Dragon in Minecraft, so... Yeah, let's just go ahead and get to it. Now, this is the Hail Mary throw. Hut. And it is caught for a Hail Mary touchdown. Booyah. Oh my god.
It's still up. Not my fault you missed that.
Hurry! Get it, throw it. When you catch it. Hurry, throw it.
Hot. When I throw it up.
Throw it. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Drop this a like. And I'll see you in the next video.